Let's eat Grandpa.
Wait, you want to eat Grandpa?
No, let's eat Grandpa. Today, we're talking about the most misunderstood punctuation mark in English, the comma. As you just saw, the right comma at the right time can literally save lives. So let's clear things up. Here are the 5 essential comma rules you need to know. Not all of them, just the ones that make everyday writing easier and way more readable. Ready? Let's go. Here's a sentence. I want to earn a bachelor's degree, a master's, a PhD, and then take over the world. Pause for a moment. Where would you put the commas? Yes, we separate list items with commas. This is the basic list rule. And if you're wondering about the last comma before and, that's called the Oxford comma, and it's optional in English. Just be consistent in your writing. Take a look at this sentence. If swimming is so good for your figure, then why do whales look like that? We have 2 clauses here. If swimming is so good for your figure, and then why do whales look like that? The first is dependent. It can't stand alone. The second is independent. It can. When you connect these two, you need a comma. It also works when the dependent clause is in the middle. Why do whales, if swimming is so good for your figure, look like that? And yes, in that case, you need 2 commas, one before and one after the inserted clause. Albert Einstein, the physicist, slept like a rock. The phrase, the physicist, gives extra information, but the sentence makes sense without it. If you can remove a part without changing the meaning of the sentence, set it off with commas. Let's look at this. I try to be reasonable, but I can't look after myself all day. We have 2 full sentences joined by but. That means we need a comma. If it's not a full sentence after but, don't use a comma. She's not only smart, but also kind. No comma here. Let's go back to our first example. Let's eat, Grandpa. Without the comma, you're a cannibal. Same goes for direct address or short interjections. Come on, man. Well, that was awkward. Yes, I agree. These commas help make your tone clear and avoid confusion. Quick recap. You need commas in lists between independent and dependent clauses around non-essential information, before but, yet, or so when joining 2 full sentences, with direct address, interjections, or for emphasis. That's it for today's Comma Crash course. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out the next one to keep leveling up your writing. See you next time.